Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox our craft supplies. Ordered few of the items from Eshwarshop and few from Amazon. We'll provide all the links in the description box below. Got some set of wool in different colors for making some decor pieces like wool kites. 5-inch embroidery hoop. Rajasthani puppets. 4-inch steel rings. A set of 6-cut 72 bangles. Few nano partition boxes. Some sugar beads in various colors. Next we have some jewellery findings, earring base, backstopper, kidney hoops, pearls and fingering base. Got some gotapatti patches to enhance the decor. Gloss varnish. Gold beads for decor. And finally we have some bells for decorations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see how all these pieces turn into beautiful decor. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.